Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello crafters! In this video, I will explain how to make a charming avocado using polymer clay. It's a fun and simple project that yields delightful results. First, gather your essential materials: green, brown, and a tiny bit of black polymer clay. You'll also need a few basic sculpting tools and a clean, smooth surface to work on. Make sure your clay is well conditioned and ready to be shaped before you begin. Now, let's start shaping the main body of our avocado. Take a generous amount of green clay and roll it into a smooth oval shape, aiming for a length of about 2 inches. Next, gently flatten one side of the oval to give it that distinct avocado base. Take your time to smooth out any small cracks or imperfections on the surface, ensuring a clean and polished look for your creation. With the main body formed, it's time to add the iconic pit. Roll a small piece of brown clay into a perfect sphere, approximately 1/2 inch in diameter. Carefully press this brown pit into the center of your green avocado body, making sure it's securely embedded. For added realism, use a fine sculpting tool to gently create subtle, natural-looking textures on the avocado skin, mimicking its slightly bumpy surface. For the final touches, take a tiny amount of black clay and blend a very thin layer around the base of the pit. This creates a realistic shadow effect, adding depth to your avocado. Carefully smooth all edges and ensure your entire avocado looks complete and polished. Finally, bake your clay avocado according to the specific instructions provided on your polymer clay package to properly cure and harden your beautiful new creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.